Take your medicine, dear.
Homeopathic medicine?
Yes, you respond well to homeopathic since your childhood. The doctor had told it has no side effects. I have been taking this medicine ever since I was pregnant with you. Like them, millions of families trust homeopathy. You know, whenever there's a disease outbreak, whether COVID, dengue, fever, flu or malaria, homeopathic doctors set up camps to help patients. That's why the government established the Central Council for Research in Homeopathy CCRH in 1978 to strengthen homeopathy research.
परिषद क्लिनिकल यानी नैदानिक अनुसंधान, दवा आधारित अनुसंधान और बुनियादी विज्ञान या बेसिक साइंसेज रिसर्च के अलावा मेडिकल सेवाएं देने के लिए एविडेंस बेस्ड हाई क्वालिटी केयर अपनी ओपीडी और आईपीडी के द्वारा देता है। हमारी देश भर में 33 इकाइयों में ओपीडी है जहां लाखों लोगों का उपचार किया जाता है। अपनी इकाइयों से बाहर हम देश के गांवों में जाकर चिकित्सा सेवाएं भी देते हैं और इसको आउटरीच प्रोग्राम कहते हैं। इसके अलावा हम लोगों को उनकी सेहत के बारे में भी जागरूक करते हैं ताकि वे अपनी व अपने परिवार के लिए समय से सही हेल्थ डिसीजन लेने में सक्षम हों। इस सौम्य चिकित्सा से एक स्वस्थ भारत की मजबूत नींव रखना ही हमारा प्रयास है।
In July 2014, the government launched a program called Homeopathy for Healthy Child to improve children's health. The program yielded positive results and numerous cheerful children showed improved health.
होम्योपैथी की दवा देना भी आसान है, इससे बच्चा खुश भी रहता है।
Under this program, more than 85,000 children were provided health care in various regions such as Delhi, Noida, Palghar, Guwahati, Cuttack, Gorakhpur, Amer and Ranchi. Under the government's policy initiative, the council mobilized resources to benefit the scheduled caste populations living below the poverty and adopted 42 villages in 15 units across the country. Free basic healthcare facilities and homeopathic treatments were provided at their doorstep, and awareness about a healthy lifestyle was also promoted.
इस होम्योपैथिक की दवाई से मेरे परिवार को और मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा होता है।
इनसे हमारे परिवार में, मेरे फैमिली में सबने दवाई ली है, उनसे काफ़ी आराम है। और घुटने में दर्द रहता था, पैरों में जोड़ों का दर्द था, वो भी इन दवाई रेगुलर ली हमने, उनसे भी काफ़ी आराम लगा।
The National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke, NPCDCS, is a project initiated by the Government of India. In this, treatment is done using a combination of yoga and one of the Ayush systems. The activities under NPCDCS include the treatment of non-communicable diseases, NCDs, waterborne diseases, bacterial diseases, and communicable diseases like tuberculosis, HIV, etc. through therapeutic processes and research. Additionally, the Council has also provided benefits to people using homeopathy to combat non-communicable diseases, NCDs, such as heart diseases, cancer, diabetes, and others. For the first time, this program was launched in Krishna, Andhra Pradesh, and Darjeeling, West Bengal districts, and later expanded to Sambalpur, Odisha, and Nashik, Maharashtra in May 2017.
Mother, looking at all these efforts, it feels like our India will soon be called a healthy India.
Yes, definitely. In 2016, the Ministry of Ayush initiated the Swasthya Raksha program to promote health education in villages. This program was implemented in 55 identified villages and colonies through 11 institutes of the Council.
भारत सरकार ने अनुसूचित जाति तक चिकित्सा स्वास्थ्य पहुंचाने के लिए अनुसूचित जाति उप योजना बनाई है, जिसके तहत ऐसे गांवों को गोद लिया जाता है जहां पर यह आबादी 40% से ज़्यादा है। इस कार्यक्रम के तहत हम लोग गांव में जाकर कैंप लगाते हैं और घर घर जाकर सर्वे करते हैं, घर घर जाकर उन्हें चिकित्सा और होम्योपैथी के बारे में जागरूक करते हैं।
where awareness programs about the homeopathic system are conducted and homeopathic treatment is provided for the early diagnosis of diseases. Similar efforts are being done to create awareness about homeopathy among our generation of children under the school health program. These outreach programs are being carried out in Guwahati, Agartala and Goa. Through this program, school health clinics are being established in schools to raise awareness among school children, parents and teachers. This program includes health checkups of children aged 15 to 12 years and school-level treatment for common illnesses at the school level are included. On the occasion of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the council distributed the homeopathic medicine Arsenicum album 30C to more than 3.4 million people for the prevention of COVID-19. During COVID-19 pandemic, the council also formed a task force consisting of research officers, senior or junior research fellows, paramedical and multitasking staff who served the general public. This program reached out to frontline workers, senior citizens and quarantined individuals who were significantly benefited.
रोज़मर्रा की बीमारी के लिए मैं और मेरा परिवार होम्योपैथिक दवाई लेते हैं। ये हमें लाभ भी देती है और डॉक्टर साहब गांव में आकर के ही दवाई भी दे के जाते हैं।
The council fulfilled its responsibility of widespread distribution of medicines and proved its capability. Even in hospitals, the data of treatment services provided by the council were highly satisfactory, especially during the COVID-19 period when people were unable to seek services outside. The council knocked the doors of homes to distribute medicine kits to the residents. Under the leadership of former Director General Dr. Anil Khurana, a team of homeopathic doctors fearlessly served severe COVID-19 patients in the ICUs of AIIMS Jhajjar, Haryana and St. George's Hospital in Mumbai.
Mother, these people are very brave.
Yes, they are very brave and also humanitarian. In 2018, the Indian government decided to accelerate the Rashtriya Poshan Maha and address India's nutritional challenges by September as Poshan Maha across the country. During this month, various grassroots level activities related to nutrition awareness were conducted in all states and union territories. Activities such as lectures, nutrition drives, food distribution, nutrition garden development and counseling were organized. The council does not hesitate to visit the slums or remote areas to reach out, educate and provide their services. In recent years, efforts have also been made to work on the control of diseases like dengue, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis, JE and malaria. Distribution of homeopathic medicines has been implemented in several states over the past 25 years, and surveys on how homeopathic remedies affect immunity have been conducted in villages in Kerala. With these endeavors to reach out to the citizen of our country, the council aspires to see a bright smile of health on every Indian's face. Let's come together with homeopathic medicines towards a healthier nation.
होम्योपैथिक दवाओं के साथ आओ बढ़ें स्वस्थ भारत की ओर।